Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Hey everyone, I've got a 1970 Mustang Fastback for sale today. It's restored in nice condition. It's an original grabber green color, which is cool. And I'll tell you what, it's priced about half of what the Mach 1s I've recently been selling. So it's an affordable, clean, muscle car, Fastback. If you go to volocars.com, you'll see all the photos, description, price of this car, and a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale at volocars.com. If you take a second, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. That way you'll see these videos first as they come out. But first, join me. Let's go for a spin in the 70 Grabber Green Fastback. Yeah, overall, very nice condition. I was very impressed with it. It's restored very well. The body is all straight and smooth. It actually looks as good as those Mach 1s for twice the money that I've sold. The paint job, all smooth. The body gaps are all real nice. I mean, it's polished out to a smooth, glossy finish. No bubbles down here at all. This is all real nice. I got it from a guy locally. He's owned it a few years. He spent several $1,000s going through the car, making improvements, making sure mechanically it's dialed in. I know the shop that he took it to. They do real good work. So it's dialed in very well. Underneath the car is real solid. It's got power steering, power disc brakes up front. They're drum in the back. It's an automatic. It's got a 351 Cleveland in there right now. So big block power, sport mirrors. We'll open this hood. I'll start it in a little bit for you, but it's all clean and tidy. All this metal is a nice satin finish, sprayed real nice. It's not layers of spray paint. It's not old and greasy. It's a nice looking motor compartment. The motor itself is real clean and tidy. Again, power steering, power brakes. It has the air cleaner with the tube, the heat riser going down to the exhaust manifolds. Alternator looks new, has a battery hold down, has the horns, has the shroud. They actually put auto light hoses and the correct clamps on there. So a good looking motor compartment. Tires are in excellent shape. This side is just as nice, smooth, no bubbles, fits real nice. This chrome right here is original, so it's a little, doesn't have its luster like it did originally. Door jambs are painted nice, bottom of the door is clean, new weather strip. Nice door panels, got like a little nick right here, but it's overall in excellent shape. Seats are real nice, cushions look new. It's got a nice Shelby style wood steering wheel. Dash pad, it's not one of them glue-on caps, it's an actual dash pad. It's excellent. Got two 6x9 speakers in back. It has the typical light scratches in the rear window. It's an original piece of glass. Chrome is bright, tail lights are nice. A little tiny pitting right here, but standing right here they look new. Trunk fits nice. Trunk compartment's clean, comes with some extra stuff including a trophy. It's got the liner, it's got a spare, tire cover. Carpets are excellent. This door jam's real nice. Got new sill plates. It's got one of them retro stereos right in the dash. It also comes with an 8-track player and a case of 8-tracks in the back there. So why don't I fire it up? He put retractable 3-point seat belts in there. Interior light works. We get the right key and we'll fire it up. Looks like it has LED lights in the dash. It's a nice clean white look. It's tidy. The headliner is new and it fits tight. The visors are nice. The mirror is new. Seat belts front and back. All the plastic trim in the back's real clean. Very nice car, in and out, overall condition. Power steering, power brakes. So it's going to be a pleasure to drive. They call it grabber green because it grabs your attention. You could not miss this car. How nice that runs. Got a dual exhaust system. I think it had the cherry bomb style mufflers under there. So there you have it, a sharp looking Mustang Fastback in really nice shape at a price we can all afford. Go to volocars.com, plenty of ways on there to contact us. We can help you with any more questions you may have or concerns. We'll send more videos, more pictures. All you have to do is ask. We can help with the shipping and the financing as well. So that's at volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so you can see these videos first as they come out. I appreciate everyone who's been signing up and watching the videos, and do come back for more.